So this is the first page you land on with regards to Trello. You can see there's quite a bit happening. There's some highlights here, which is telling you things that you need to do. But the first thing you want to do is jump onto boards, so we can have a look at how boards work. So as you can see here, they give you the option of recently viewed and your personal boards. Not too many there. But if we click on the clockwork daily do, just lays out what we need to do for the day. So this is a daily things to do. So these are daily repeating tasks, as it says here. Call 25 leads a day, review freelancer and elance, etc., as you go through that. Then over here you have the to do for the day. So once you've completed something on this to do, this is basically everything you need to do for today that you can create the night before or first thing in the morning. Once you pick up a task, you can either move it to doing. So doing is something that you're working on at the moment. You can see here all the tasks I'm working on at the moment. And then once it's complete, it moves to done. So that just gives you a very simple overview of what the Trello boards do on a basic level. We can have a look in a later video about doing more complicated stuff. But that's just to give you a quick overview of how it works.